with that thing? Why is it doing that? Okay. Alright guys, open your books to page 33. 33. Open your books to page 33. Gianni, let me know if you can hear me in the chat. Why does the webcam keep doing that? Open your books to page 33. Cameron. Yeah? Pencil? Does anyone have a pencil? Alright, page 33, everyone there? Today we're going over divisibility rules, okay? Rules in dividing, okay? So we'll just go over these. It looks pretty easy, okay? So number one, a number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number, okay? So for example, if you have 4,896, we already know it's divisible by 2. Why? Because it's an even number, okay? 8,645 is not divisible by 2. We know that because it's odd. It's an odd number, okay? Can't divide it by 2. Okay, rule number 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay? 672 is divisible by 3 since the sum of the digits, 15, is divisible by 3. Do you get that? So 672, what's 6 plus 7? 13. 13 plus 2? 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So that works, okay? 673 is not divisible by 3 since the sum of the digits is not divisible by 3. What's the sum of the digits? 16. 16 is not, you can't divide 16 by 3. Okay? Rule number 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are both zeros. Or if they are divisible by 4. 600 and 636 are both divisible by 4 since the last two digits in 600 are zeros. Okay? And 36 and the last two digits in 636 are 36, so that's divisible by 4. 36 divided by 4 is what? 9. 9 times 4 is 36, okay? So you can divide it by 4, okay? Rule number 4, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5, okay? 705 is divisible by 5 since it ends in 5. 706 is not divisible by 5 since it ends in 6. Do we get that rule? Okay? If you have 500, you're going to know it's divisible by 5. If you have 501, you can't, okay? It's got to be in multiples of 5. Okay, rule number 5, a number is divisible by 6 if it is even and is divisible by 3. 1008 is divisible by 6 since it is even and the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let's go to rule number 6. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So 7,812 is divisible by 9 since the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Okay, do you get that? The sum of the digits in 7,812 is 18. Okay, 18 divided by 9 is what? 2, so you can divide it by 9, okay? Rule number 7. Rule number 7, a number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. So 450 you can divide by 10 because it ends in 0, okay? If you had 459, you can't, okay? Let's go over some of the class practice, okay? This is pretty simple stuff. Okay. Let's go number one. Okay. I'm just going to go, I'm going to read down the line of the numbers, and you're going to tell me yes or no if we can divide it by 2, okay? So 31, can we divide by 2? No. 76, can you divide by 2? Yes. Why? Because it's an even number. It's an even number. Okay, so you can divide by 2, so mark it. Fill it in. Okay, 24. 24, can you divide by 2? Yes. Mark it. Okay. 35, can you divide by 2? No. Why? It's an odd number. Good. 479, yes or no? No. It's an odd number. Okay. 150. 150, can you divide by 2? Yes. It's an even number. Okay. 374, can you divide by 2? Yes. Okay. Alright. Section 2. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 3. 56. 56. Can you divide by 3? No, you cannot. You cannot divide by 3 in that one. Let me see. Yeah, that one are the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits on that one, 56. What is the sum of the digits? 11. Okay, so can you divide 11 by 3? No. Okay, so that's why. Okay, 27. Can you divide 27 by 3? Yes. Add the sum. It's what? 9. 9 divided by 3. You can do it. Okay. 39. 39. Can you divide by 3? Yes. Okay. Mark it. Okay. 43. Can you divide by 3? No. Okay. Next one, 19. Can you divide by 3? No. 19. No. What are the sum of the digits on 19? 10. Can you divide 10 by 3? No. You can't. Okay. 275. 275. Can you divide by 3? No, you cannot. The sum of the digits is 14. Doesn't work, okay? 195. 195. Can you divide by 3? Yes. Why? Yep, good. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. Good. Okay, next section. Section 3. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 4. Okay? By 4. First one, 320. Yes or no? Yes, you can. You can divide by 4, okay? Mark it. Okay, 400. 400. Yes, you can. Okay? 376. What do you think? No? Yes, you can. You can. Okay. 76. The last two numbers are 76. Can 4 go into 76? Yes, it can. Okay. 902. Okay. 902. 902. Can you divide that by 4? No, you cannot. Okay. 325. Can you divide that by 4? No, you cannot. Okay. 684. 684. 684. Can you divide that by 4? Yes, you can. Okay. Look at the last two numbers. Look at the rule for it says a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are both zeros or if they are divisible by 4. So look at the last two numbers and see if it's divisible by 4. That'll tell you your answer. Okay. So 684, we look at 84. Okay, 4 divided into 84, it works. Okay. And the last number, 16. Can you divide 16 by 4? Yes, mark it. Okay. Let's go to section 4. Section 4, mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 5. Okay. 39. Can you divide 5 into 39? No. 45. Yes, it ends in 5. 162? No, you cannot. 375? Yes, ends in 5. 800? Yes, 0. 30? Yes, mark it. Okay. 76? No, good. Alright, mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 6, okay? A number is divisible by 6 if it is even and is divisible by 3, okay? So it's got to be an even number. It's got to be an even number, and it's got to be able to be divided by 3, okay? So number 5, 97. 97. Can you divide that by 6? What do you think? No, you can't. Why? Because it's an odd number. You need it to be an even number first, okay? So no, you cannot. Okay, 360. Can you divide that by 6? Okay, why? 360 is an even number, and you can divide 3 into 36 right there. Okay, the first two numbers, okay? Or it's the sum of the digits, okay? So that would be 9 right there. So you can divide 3 into 9, okay? 474. 474. Can you divide 6 into 474? Yes or no? You need it to be an even number. It's an even number, right? Okay, now add all the digits together. What's the sum of the digits right there? 15. Can 15 be divided by 3? Yes. So it's an even and it's can be divided by 3, which means it can be divisible by 6, okay? So yes, 474 is yes. 903. 903. Okay, no, why? It's an odd number, okay? 278. 278, yes or no? No. It is an even number, but it's not divisible by 3. If you add it up, if you add the sum up, it's 17. 17, you can't divide 17 by 3, okay? Okay, 628. 628. 628, yes or no? It's an even number. Add it up, it's 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. You can't divide 16 divided by 3. So, since you can't divide 16 by 3, it's no, okay? Okay, 937. 937. Yes or no? No, why? It's an odd number, okay? Let's go to section 6 on the next page. Turn the books, okay? Section 6. Okay. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 9. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 9, okay? Let's see. Okay. Alright, here you add the sum of the digits too, okay? So 819. 819. Can you divide it by 9? Why? Good. So you add all the digits up, and it's 18. You can divide 18 by 9, so it works. So yes. 378. 378. Is that divisible by 9? Yes. Because 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 divided by 9. It works, okay? 785. 785. No, we cannot. Add it up, we get 20. 20 divided by 9 does not work, okay? 198. 198. Okay, does that work? Yes, why? 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. It works, okay? 376. 376. Is that divisible by 9? No, it's not. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16, okay? 27. Is 27 divided by 9? Does that work? Yes. Okay, last one, 181. Is that divisible by 9? No, it's not. Okay, 181 is not. If you add it up, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. You can't divide 10 by 9. Okay, not evenly. Okay. Okay, section 7. Section 7. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 10. Okay, these should be pretty simple. Come on. Okay, 30. Yes. 25. No. 76. 400. 370. 295. 610. Good. Okay. Okay. Number 8. Number 8, I want you to do that on your own, okay? Okay, we'll do letter A. We'll do letter A. So for 120, is it divisible by 2? Oh, it's already done for you guys? Oh, the A is? Okay. Okay, let's go to B then. We'll go to B. Let's go to B, 135. Is 135 divided by 2? Does that work? No, so leave it blank. Okay, it's an odd number. Divided by 3, does that work? Add 135, add the digits together. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yeah. Okay, it's 9, so check it. Okay. Can it be divided by 4? No. Okay, can it be divided by 5? Yes. Can it be divided by 6? It's got to be an even number. If it's, remember? You can't divide it by 6 because it's got to be an even number, so no. And then 9. Can you divide it by 9? Add all the digits together? Yes. And that would be B. So I want you to work on section 8. Work on those. Okay? Work on section 8. C through G. You guys having trouble with it, or are you good? Let's go look at letter C. 96. Can it be divided by 2? Yes, it's an even number. Can it be divided by 3? Yes, because you add it, it's 15. Divided by 4? So, to see if it's divided by 4, you look at, yeah, I was going to say you look at the last two numbers. So, 96, yeah, it is divisible by 4. Okay, so yes. 5, no, you cannot. Divided by 6? Yes. Divided by 9? No. Divided by 10? No. Okay. Are you done? You done? No? Okay, letter D. Let's go to letter D. 260. Can you divide 260 by 2? Yes, you can. Okay, it's even number. Can you divide it by 3? No. Can you divide it by 4? Yes. And why can you divide it by 4? Yes. Okay. It's you can divide it by 4 if the last two digits are both zeros, if the last two digits are both zeros, or if the last two numbers are divisible by 4. So 260, the last two digits aren't 0, but it's divisible by 4. 60 is divided by 4. Okay. 5. Yes. 6. No. 9. No. And 10. Yes. Okay. go over letter E. 513. Is it divisible by 2? Divisible by 2? No, because it's an odd number. Okay. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, because 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. That works. Okay. Divisible by 4? No. By 5? By 6? No. 6 needs to be an even number. So no. And by 9? Yes. So 513 is divisible by 3 and 9. That's it. Okay. Let's go over letter F. Letter F is 540. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. Divisible by 5? Yes. Divisible by 6? Yes. Yes, it is divisible by 6. Okay. Because it's an even number, so 540 is an even number. And then it's got to be divisible by 3. You add them together, it's 9. 9 divided by 3, yeah. So, is it divisible by 9? Yes. And then is it divisible by 10? Yes. So check marks on all of those. Okay. And then last one, 611. 611, is it divisible by 2? By 3? By 4? By 5? By 6? By 9? By 10? No, so no check marks on any of them. Alright. Good job today. Let's see. Let's see. Should we do the review? Let's go ahead. We're going to end the lesson there. We're going to end the lesson there. Work on while you're in class here, work on the review. Work on the review section. Don't do the green. Don't do the green. And then your homework is on the board. Your homework is page 359, lesson 18. Page 359, lesson 18. That's your homework for tonight, okay, guys? Gianni, we're going to end the stream here, okay? Yeah. Yeah.